stringent, blah blah blah. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anita, and in this channel I'm gonna help you get the skin that you want. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I have so much coming up, so many recipes and tips and tricks for you to get that skin that you want. Today's agenda is how to make a lightening and glowing lemon oil. Hi guys, it's time to introduce our materials today. Here I have 2 lemons. I have a glass jar. Excuse my raggedy jar. I have glycerin here. I'm going to be using the glycerin to infuse. You can also use oil. You can use sunflower oil. You can use coconut oil. But if you're going to use coconut oil, you can't use the lemon oil on your face because coconut oil is comedogenic. I also have a grater here to peel the back of the lemon. Guys, you can also use grapeseed oil instead of glycerin. That's what you have. After I finish grating the lemon peel, I put it inside this glass jar and then I poured glycerin and used it to cover the lemon peel. I'm now going to let this infuse for a week. If you want more benefits, you can leave it for a month, but I'm going to leave it for just a week. I'm going to chip in that you don't have to throw away the lemon juice. After removing the peels of the lemon, I cut them into half and then I use this juicer to juice out the lemon juice. Lemon juice is very beneficial. It can be used in a belly fat burning recipe. It can also be used in your black soup. You don't have to throw it away. It's very valuable. Contains high amount of vitamin C. Very good for your skin. Like, it's a good lightening and brightening agent. Just wanted to chip that in. So guys, keep that in mind. You don't have to throw it away. Lemons are a little bit expensive. Maybe just try to get as much benefits for your money's worth. So guys, if you want the process to be faster, I'm not going to do it. I just want to show you guys how. Put your fire on low heat, then you place the bottle in like this. You just leave it for like between 5 to 10 minutes. I don't really like this method because some of the very good nutrients inside of the oil that are heat sensitive might get destroyed. An alternative to this, although it's definitely not as quick as this, you put it under the sun. But this one will get you your results faster within 3 days rather than waiting for it for like a week to a month. You bring it out and then you sieve out your oil. You get results faster with this method, but you get to sacrifice some nutrients, which I don't want to sacrifice, so I think I'd rather wait. It's been about a week now, and here's my infused lemon oil. My God, it smells so good. Like Vicks Blue. It smells just like Vicks Blue. So I have my sieve here with me. So guys, I have my container here, which is sterilized. Make sure you sterilize your container before using it. Sterilize all your materials so you prevent bacterial growth. Okay, let's get to work. I know it looks small, but pardon me, I made mine a very little batch because I don't need so much, but then you can make yours more. I peeled 2 lemons. Got that beautiful color, guys. Then I'm through extracting my lemon oil, and I noticed that the color on camera looks a little bit reddish, but that's not the true color. It's actually a deep yellow color, and it smells so nice. Lemon oil is very beneficial for your skin. Don't sleep on this, guys. Its main component is vitamin C, which brightens the skin. It has antiseptic properties, which is beneficial if you have acne. It also has astringent properties. I'm sorry, which is beneficial to you if you have oily skin. It can also help you with your hyperpigmentation. There's a downside. It can make your skin photosensitive, meaning if you put it on your skin and then you get in contact with sunlight, you run the risk of getting sunburned. Okay, so you don't want to put this on your face and just go out into the sun. You have to be careful. Alright guys, that is all for now. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my video. If I've helped you and you have received value from this video, please like the video and consider subscribing. Join the family. Turn on post notifications because I'll be dropping so many videos, guys. I have so many recipes that I just want to share and so much knowledge. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.